Hello there. My name is Adam, and today I will show you how artificial intelligence-powered translations work. AI can quickly and handily translate large bodies of text, which saves time and resources. Thanks to that, we can minimize costs related to translations, which are frequently contracted to external companies, and verify the viability of entering new markets. Let's see how that works. The options related to translations are located next to attributes. This is applicable to text and text area attribute types. Let's move on to the card of a selected product and focus on the main description. It can be either created by us or generated via AI as well. That will be something covered in another tutorial. To translate this text to one in a different language, we need to change the display language of the product card to the one we wish to translate our description to. As you can see, the description field is now empty. We can choose Translate from the menu and select the language we wish to generate the translated description from. In our case, it's English. After a brief pause, the translation is done. Let's see this on other attributes. We can do this with a whole host of other languages, any that you may need, and translate again. This time we can use German as the basis for our translation. Keep in mind that AI-generated translations should be verified, as no algorithm is flawless. Think about it. The AI translation function will help your expansion into new markets by facilitating quick, accurate, and cost-effective translations of your content to new languages spoken in new countries. Thanks to Ergonode and AI, the viability of your expansion into new markets can be easily verified.